So we are going from Mehrauli to Delhi, and these are the stores which are there about 500 meters from the proposed locations. All are furniture stores. You can see. Now this is the proposed location. Tags outlet is there, and you have UCB, which is having a frontage of around 30 feet and does around 13-14 lakhs average. So we are going towards Delhi, and you can see the furniture showrooms. Durian is there, Durian Furniture. It is MG Road. You have Cantabile out here. Then you have Jockey. So most of the factory outlets are slightly ahead than the proposed location. You have Cobb, you have the Sleep Company, you have Raymond's. So we are approaching Ghitorni metro station, which has a footfall of around 15,000 per day, average footfall. Then you have Reebok. As per information, it does around 30-35 lakhs. Again, Puma is there.
Average is 40 lakh.
It does around 40 lakhs. And Adidas is coming. It is around 50 to 55 lakhs per month, and it is around 100 meters from this location. I am at red light, so you have Red Tape is there, you have Skechers, you have Bata, you have Woodland also. And after this red light, you have Adidas. So there is the Levi's is there. Then you have A6 is there. This is the front side. The opposite side, we are again going back to our location. So again you will see a lot of interior outlets. Then you have SSB. This is an army area. This is SSB area.
Seema Shashaktra Bus.
Seema Shashaktra Bal is the army unit who is having location out here. So here is the tags. Here is the outlet. So this tax does around 45 lakhs average sale, and the size of the store is around 12,000 square feet, and it has many RBL brands and Arvind brands with them. The ASP is very high. So again, we are on the same lane where we have the store, proper store on the left hand side. We have come back. We have taken the U-turn. आगे
फर्नीचर मार्केट
again furniture market is there.
आगे 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 बताऊंगा आगे आगे
लेफ्ट में रोक लीजिए भैया आगे आगे. So here it is. Again we have come to the property. So the owner of Tex is also the owner of UCB, and total, if you include UCB also, total area is around 15,000 square feet, where UCB is around 3,200 square feet, and that's all.